Hey everyone, welcome back. This week, I decided to dive into something that I haven't done in a while, laser engraving. I've been experimenting here with the Blaze X M3 10-watt laser, which has a 360 by 300 millimeter working area and precision down to 0.01 millimeter. It's powerful enough to handle small wood and plastic pieces, but also precise enough for delicate details like jewelry boxes and real thin cardboard. I want to share my first day's experience using it, what it's like to set it up, and how does it fit into my workflow. Nothing technical, nothing salesy, just real hands-on use. So my first impression, how it looks and how it feels. Right away, the first thing that surprised me is how compact and clean this machine is. I expected a big heavy setup that would take over my whole work desk, but the Blaze X M3 fits perfectly into my workspace. The frame feels solid and the design is sleek. It blends in with all of my gear instead of standing out like a workshop machine. Even just placing it at my desk made me think, okay, this actually belongs here. So setup and first use. Getting started was simple. I connected it to my computer, I opened the software, lined up my first design, and was ready to engrave in just a few minutes. The live preview is really handy. You can position your design exactly where you want it before hitting start. I put a few small items on the bed and let it run. A cardboard jewelry box, a small wooden box, and a piece of plastic, and even a TV controller and my knife. The first thing I noticed was how versatile the 10-watt laser is. The cardboard jewelry box came out sharp and clean. The texture of the cardboard gave it a cool, handcrafted feel. Now the wood looks even better. Wood reacts beautifully to laser engraving. And the detail was crisp, making it look like a custom gift. And the plastic TV remote controller, it actually held up surprisingly well. The lines stayed sharp and nothing warped or melted. I even engraved my initials on my knife, and it came out really nice. I also made this out of a nice wood. I wasn't sure what to expect, but the design burned in clean, giving it a slightly rustic handmade look. You can also burn cotton, leather, and if you get the rotation module, you can engrave anything that's round. It connects very easily. Simply place this in the machine, connect the wires, and it does it all for you. It also comes with this piece as well. So for long items such as wine bottles, you could place this and hold the neck of the bottle as well so it doesn't keep tilting over. The machine is precise and fast. So even small detailed designs turn out really nice. One of the things I like about the M3 is how naturally it fits into my workflow. I can have it running quietly in the background when I film or edit projects. It's not loud, it's not intrusive, and it just becomes another tool in my creative space. I love it. There's something so satisfying about picking up a piece that you just laser engraved yourself. Even if it's a small box or coaster, it's that feeling of, I made this. So yeah, these are my first day thoughts on the Blaze X M3 10-watt laser. It's compact, precise, and surprisingly versatile. And it fits right into a real creator's workflow. I'm still experimenting, trying out different materials, but even in a small time, it's added a whole new dimensions to my projects. No hard sell here, just my honest experience. I'll probably share more once I try some bigger and more complex projects. But for now, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. It also comes with a really nice exhaust fan, so you could just have it against the window and it blows right out the window. Not a big deal at all. It's really nice. It's perfect size. It doesn't clutter your space. The light shield is very easy to put together. Simply a couple screws, you place it around the outside of the laser, and you're good to go. It also comes with extra goggles if you want extra protection for your eyes. There's simply two cords. This is the cord for the power, and then there's a cord for the USB that you connect to the computer, so you can download the files and start the project and stop the project and preview it. It's very easy. It's nice and clear, so you can see your projects as they're happening. Everything is very well made, very well put together. It's very lightweight, but very well made. Everything fits tightly together. The laser is very easily adjusted. The screw, loosen the screw, the laser comes up, tighten the screw. When you want to bring it down, simply adjust it. It also comes with an extra laser protection, so I really like that as well. It also comes with a great offline mode, so if you want, you could download the files and just print them offline. You don't even have to be online. Everything is very high quality, very well made materials.